Well, first thing I can see is the pond is empty. What? Where are the koi fish? So they've been moved. What? Alright, well, here's where they used to live. This big pond under this giant weeping willow tree. Here's like a wishing well. You throw your coin in there, swirls around to the bottom, and the sign says, "All proceeds benefit this Japanese garden." I don't have any coins, darn it. Look, and there's the door where they get all the money out. Alright, we'll continue. I'm really sad there's no water here. Cool little bridge. Normally we'd be walking over water and there's a little island there. It is springtime. I was hoping that there would be something blooming out here. There's some giant redwoods in this park too. There's one right there. Smells really good out here, you guys. This bird. Scared him. It's just not the same without the water in the pond. Okay, I'll insert a Jimmy Jam here. I said I'll insert a Jimmy Jam. Let's go this way first and see where this little path goes right here. Man, there's usually a waterfall over there. This one smells good. I don't know what it is, but it smells good. Like, really good. Jasmine? It's a big jasmine bush. That's why it smells so good. But yeah, there's usually a waterfall that comes down right there. It's a really busy road right on the other side of these trees. This is a humongous Japanese maple, this thing like this. I don't know, maybe like 40 feet tall. It's pretty big for a Japanese maple, isn't it? You see the waterfall would come down that and go all along in there. Super bummed it's empty. The sound when the water is going through is, I think, most of the fun of this place. As it goes around all these rocks and stuff. I think they're doing some tree trimming. They have burlap tarp they put it on, maybe. I don't know. Let's see what's over here. That sign said something about the fish were moved to a different pond. I don't know. Maybe we'll find them. Maybe we won't. There's the other side of the pond. It's maybe 2 feet deep, I'd say. Big old plum tree. Look at that view. That's not pretty. Darn it, no water. Colorful flowers. Juniper bush. A couple magnolia trees. Really big olive tree. Magnolia tree right here. Another one right here. Quick side note, I don't know what kind of daisies these are, but here in the Bay Area, these are the ones that the hippies would sit around and make daisy chain headbands out of back in the day. How do I know? Because my parents were those people. Well, I didn't see. Oh, hey. Oh, we're getting locked out. Excuse me. Are you locking the gate? We're getting locked out. We're going to have to get out of here because they're closing. Huh? Sorry about that.
Yeah, park's gonna be open for another hour.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Oh, we got 2 minutes. I'll get it. Thank you.